Namaste, very good afternoon. This is a very short video I would like to make regarding some claims recently made by the Prime Minister of Nepal, Mr. Oli, regarding the coronavirus. He claimed that most of the virus in Nepal spread by India, and he called it as the Indian virus is more dangerous, and the Indians are spreading the coronavirus in Nepal. So let us discuss on this one on the technical background. Look, I'm a genomic specialist. So what I made a very small analysis. I collected the whole genome sequence from China and the whole genome sequence of coronavirus from Nepal and India coronavirus genome. So after analyzing, I have found the Nepal coronavirus matches more with Chinese origin coronavirus, not from Indian variety of coronavirus strain. So this is very shocking that educated people and the leaders of a country talking without any scientific background, scientific evidences in such a way. So now I would like to show it directly, evidence-based study which we made the sequence. You can study it here. Look here. This is the Nepal sample, and this is the, you can see this is the genome sequence completely, what you can say here. So this is the genome sequence. You can see ORF 158 to ORF 96 and ORF 26 to ORF 7 and ORF 2. So this is the entire ORF zones of the Nepal isolated coronavirus genome. Okay, now I am taking out with the China Shanghai. This is the, you can see this is the China Shanghai sample. You can see it is very closely matches with Nepal, ORF 123 to ORF 140, 27, and you can see again here ORF 2, which is also seen in Nepal coronavirus sample. So this is very closely matches. The numbering, you can see they both closely matches. Now I am opening the Indian sample. So the Indian sample I will open. So you can see this is the Indian sample. I will make it zoom it to 100%. You can see ORF is 122 to 129 and ORF 18. There it is ORF 27 and it is ORF 73 here, where there in Nepal and China it is ORF 2. Okay, that means nowhere the sample genome matches with the Indian coronavirus strain. So that means the claims are wrong. The people should talk exactly the scientific background basis, and what he claims that Indian virus is a wrong thing. Look, anyone, we should not talk on the racism. Talk on scientific basis. Look, your hatreds, keep within yourself, but don't try to hate your neighbors. Okay, with unscientific backgrounds, you cannot claim such a false claims. So we request any top leaders or anyone to talk on the scientific basis. So I have shown you the genomic sequence, which is very much close. The Nepal coronavirus sample is very much closer to the China virus strain of corona, but not with Indian coronavirus strain, even though it's the same family. Based on the frame shifting of the ORFs, we can say that is Nepal coronavirus strain is more closely related to Chinese coronavirus strain, not to Indian coronavirus. So this is what I want to bring some awareness, because people, I have seen them a lot of videos, people started hatred videos, developing hatred between the two good friends, Nepal and India. From thousands of years, Nepal and India are like a family. So I wish these two countries should continue their relationship in a good way, but I don't want these false claims of non-scientific claims to destroy the relation between this country. The hatred and whatever may be the bilateral discussion, that is between the governments, that is not between the people. So thank you so much for listening this one. Thank you so much again. Hope India and Nepal will move together. Long live India and Nepal relation. Thank you.